I am going to see how much money I can make in one single day, starting from zero. The rules are I can't start with any money up front at all. I can't use any prior connections, and it can only be options that anybody can pick up and do. Pretty bored today. It's the start of the holidays, so I thought, why not give myself a little challenge? So here we go. Starting from zero. So my first thoughts are maybe Facebook Marketplace, get some free options, stage some photos, resell them. Second thought is maybe take a trip back to DoorDash in the meantime, get a little bit of cash up front in case any of the items need to be restored or anything like that, and then just see what happens. But it is currently 6:30 in the morning. I've decided I'll give myself until midnight tonight. Seems like a fair day of work. I don't know if I'll keep going until midnight. I'll just see how we go. But starting from now, 6:30, so let's get it. Okay, so I'm just having a coffee before I head out. What I've started to do is I've whipped out the computer and I have punched in free into Facebook Marketplace. I've just seen what people are giving away. I can already see a couple of options. Most of it is garbage. To be fair, it is free. So I've already seen a couple of options. I'm just kind of going to reach out to a few people. I'll shoot some messages out there, see who comes back. Obviously this needs to happen today, so it's got to happen pretty quick. I can already see a good option here, this chair. And then I'll hopefully go and pick some of these up. In the meantime, I'm going to put on my DoorDash right now. It's still pretty early, it's just past 6:30, so I don't imagine I'll be getting too many orders. But when everyone wakes up hungover from their Friday night, go bring them some food. So time to suck up the ego and get back into some food delivery service. So I've been scrolling for a little while now, and what I've worked out is that most of this is, so I have sent a couple of messages. I don't know if I'll get a response just yet. I'm going to keep scrolling through. I found another page called Northern Beaches Freebies, which is the area I am located in. There's a couple things on here, so I'm just shooting across a few messages. We'll see if they come through. In the meantime, DoorDash is on and running, so hopefully I get an order soon. We can start building up some cash. Okay, finally, we've just got our first order for a whole $7.50. Okay, first order has been dropped off. $7.50 in the bank. And we're just waiting for some more orders now. Woo. Okay, just collected order number 2. That one was $10, just over $10. So just going to drop that off. It's only 5 minutes away. And then I'll probably just head back here to McDonald's, to be honest. It seems like where all the orders are going to start coming from. Yeah, once it hits like 8 o'clock, 8:30, I imagine that's when everyone's going to be waking up hungover as fuck. Ready for some Maccas. Okay, so just dropped off the third order, I think. 4th, maybe. Yeah, 3rd or 4th. We're up to $31 or just over. Someone left me a $2 tip, which was nice, and they said keep up the good work. So yeah, pretty good. Probably been door dashing, to be honest, for, I mean, not obviously actively, but kind of just sitting around waiting for like 2 hours. It's about 9 o'clock now, so $30 in 2 hours is horrible. But I'm still confident a few of these Facebook Marketplace things are going to come through and we can stack up a bit of cash later on this afternoon. For now, I'm going to keep DoorDash on and we're just going to see what comes through and just cruise around, listen to a bit of music and hopefully get a few more orders through. But that's the update, $31. Okay, switched out cars in the girlfriend's car because it's a little bit smaller, easier to park in some of these areas. But we just picked up another order. I think that's 4 or 5 orders. $12, dropping it around the corner. They've got some desserts, so let's get it there. We don't want them to melt. I'm just gonna keep going for now. Shit. All right. Check back in on the next one. Okay. Stopped off back home. Had some breakfast because I was starving and just got another order. I think this is like order number 5 or something. I'm not 100% sure, but it's for like $12, $13. Back to McDonald's. Everyone's getting their Maccas this morning, so we're gonna hit that up and just keep going for now. It's not even 10 o'clock, so we've got time. Okay, been hard at work. So someone managed to finally respond on Facebook, and I've just picked up this little table here. It's just a little coffee table, but I got it for free, and it wasn't advertised very well. She was giving away a few different items, and it was kind of like halfway through the post, so no one would have seen it. I'm gonna put it up for like $100 or $50, I don't know. Go home and stage it. Sorry, but we'll see what we can get for it. This is it. So this is it here. It doesn't look like much, but I'll show you when I get home. Pretty decent. We'll see what we can get for it. Coffee table is posted. Got it up for $100. I'm just going to drop it throughout the day if I don't get any bites on it. And I've just said I'm negotiable in the description, so hopefully someone comes along and just offers 50 and we can maybe meet at 75. But we'll see what happens there. Have already cashed out my DoorDash earnings for the day. Came in at just over $52. Not too bad. And I'll get that withdrawn as well and hopefully get a bit of cash for this coffee table. In the meantime, I'm looking into a couple of Airtasker, maybe tasks that are being posted around my area. Maybe do one of those, maybe get back on DoorDash. For now, I'm gonna go grab some lunch and probably spend the amount that I've earned in the entire day. That doesn't count. And that's about it. So check back in on the next one. But so far, profit is at $52.44, I believe. See how we go with this table. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just editing the video now, as you can see. And I realized I lost the clips after this point, but I got a couple of little clips, but all of the clips of me talking are gone. So what happened after this was I sold the table, as you can see, got $100 for it, which was great. And then I actually ended up getting this other little bedside table cabinet thing for free as well off Facebook, and sold that again for $100. So all of that in the one day, which, let's put the grand total up here. For one single day of work, I cashed out $85 from DoorDash, $100 from the free table, and $100 from the bedside table. $285 for the day. Not too bad, considering it's not an entire day of work. I mean, it is and it isn't. I still went out to lunch. I still hit the gym that day. I still got a bunch of other stuff done. So to get out of the house and, you know, screw around, do a bit of DoorDash, $285, not so bad. So if you're stuck in a position where, you know, maybe you want to start a business or another side hustle and you don't have the cash up front to do it, at least you know that there are these ways of getting that little bit of cash that you need, so it's not coming from your main income source. Do it on a weekend, do it on a day off, whatever it might be, and you can get a bit of money coming in for those side hustles that you need a bit of cash to start on. $285 for a single day of work, not too bad.